Hi class, we are going to start learning how to add 3-digit numbers. We're really good at adding 2-digit numbers, so I just want to start with a really quick review. So right here I have 36 plus 49, and there's a few methods that we've learned how to add, but the most common method that you guys have been using is just regroup above. So that's how I'm going to teach today. And so we always want to start in the ones place. I put an O up here for the ones place and a T over here for the tens place. So here's the ones place. We have a 6 plus 9. Now, this is a math fact, so you should have this memorized. If you don't, you can use the count on method to find out that the answer is going to be 15. Now, the number 15 looks like this, but we can't have 2-digit numbers in the ones place. So what we do is we keep the 5 because that belongs in the ones place, and we're going to regroup the 1, which will belong in the tens place, above. So now I have, at the tens place, I have 1 that we just regrouped, plus 3, which is 4. Then we have 4 plus 4, which is the doubles, 8. So our answer is 85. All right, now we are going to talk about how to add 3-digit numbers together. So if I have 136 plus 247, just like that. All right, I am going to label up above O for ones place, T for tens place, and we have a third digit. We have the H for the hundreds place. So first we want to start in the ones place, just like normal with everything that we do in math. So I have 6 plus 7. This is a doubles plus 1 fact. You can think of it like 6 plus 6 would be 12, plus 1 more here for the 7 would be 13. All right, the 3 down below, and I'm going to regroup the 10 from 13 in the tens place because it's just the next place value over. So now in the tens place, I have the 1 that I regrouped above, plus 3, which would be 4. 4 plus 4 we know is 8. Now the number here is just 8, which means I don't need to regroup over because it doesn't go above 10. It's not 10 or higher. So if we have just an 8 here, there's no need to regroup above in the hundreds place. Now I'll go to the hundreds place and I'll add a 1 plus 2 is 3. All right, that's what it looks like to regroup over to the tens place. I want to show you one now where you're going to regroup over in both places. All right, we're going to do a 200 number. We'll do 257 plus 368. All right, always start in the ones place. I have an O right here for ones place. All right, 7 plus 8, just like we talked about before, it's a doubles plus 1. So 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 more to make it 8 would be 15. I'm going to regroup above and the place value that's next, which is the tens place. Now I have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. I can't write 12 down here because numbers higher than 10 do not belong in the ones place. I will keep the 2 from 12, and I will regroup the 10 from 12 over in the hundreds place. Now I have 1 plus 2, which is 3, and 3 plus 3, which is 6. All right, there's a quick review and a little refresher for what we've already learned.